respected Director of HRDC, Dr. Bamu Aurangabad, Course Coordinator, Dr. Suresh Gaikwad Sir, Rafe Sir, and dear participants. I am here, roll number 33, to give a seminar on the topic disaster management. Title of my topic is A Critical View on Disaster Management in India. The present communication highlights disaster management in India and the present situation of the government and society. India has been traditionally vulnerable to the natural disaster on account of its unique geoclimatic conditions, floods, droughts, cyclones, earthquakes, and landslides. About 60% of landmass is prone to earthquake of various intensities. Over 40 million hectares is prone to flood. About 8% of the total area is prone to cyclones and 68% of the area is susceptible to drought. India occupied the 4th position in ranking of regular occurrence of natural disasters. Since 1900 to 2011, India has faced 590 natural disasters. In 2009, 1806 people were killed. 9.6 million people were affected by 15 natural disasters that occurred in India. Economic losses due to disaster in the year 2009 in India were estimated to be 2.7 billion US dollars. According to Disaster Mitigation Institute, that is DMI, India suffers considerably due to disasters, as about 2% of its gross domestic products is lost due to natural disasters. Of the 35 states, the union territories in India, 27 are disaster prone areas. Now I would like to specially focus on the situation in Maharashtra or the disasters and disaster management that occurs or that has been taken place in Maharashtra. According to Vulnerability Atlas of India, in Maharashtra, 14 districts and 7 cities have been identified as disaster prone. The state is prone to various natural disasters such as drought, floods, cyclones, earthquakes, and accidents with low rainfall areas, while low rainfall areas of the states are under the constant risks of drought. High rainfall zones of eastern and western Maharashtra are prone to flash floods and landslides. Many areas of the state have faced droughts for consecutive years, which damaged agriculture and caused water shortage in more than 20,000 villages. Floods, though are not a regular phenomena, took 180 lives in 1996 and recently in July 2005 about 900 people died in Konkan region due to heavy rainfall of about 37 inches. Mumbai is the most popular mm, city in Maharashtra and the third most uh, in the it is the most popular city in the world. The population has increased from 11.9 million to 18.84 million in 2006. Though Mumbai contributes the largest share of GDP, that is about 6.16%, more than half of its inhabitants, that is about 54.5%, lives in slums. Certain regions in Mumbai are identified for high fire risk due to old timber framed buildings and also because establishment of oil refineries in the area. Chembur Trombe belt of almost 10 km has concentration of hazardous industries which is highly prone to industrial accidents. Hence, geographic conditions, industrial growth, increasing population density, and scattered settlements have been increased Mumbai's vulnerability to disasters, fire and industrial accidents, floods, climate, transport and handling, biological and nuclear hazards, earthquakes, cyclones, landslides, bomb blasts, terrorism, riots, and tidal surge have been identified as major hazards in Mumbai. Disaster management occupies an important place in the country's policy framework as it is the poor and underprivileged who are the worst affected on the account of climatic disasters. The steps being taken by the government in mandate from the approach outline here. I would like to stop here. Thank you very much. I would like to thank all participants, coordinator, and Dr. Bandela sir. Thank you very much.